Just taking the wheel wells off. Gives me an idea of what I'm looking at, and I found some rust over in the corner, so I'm gonna hopefully be able to patch that up, make it a little bit better. But now we're actually getting somewhere and seeing what the Caravan looks like in other aspects. Hopefully this is all good. I haven't taken one out yet. There we go, first window off. Got to see the colour it used to be, which is brown, really brown. Great. Look at that. Super duper thin ply. Oh, it was only held on by 2 rivets.
Yep.
So we just pulled the outside off, got the flashings off, got the top of the window out, and that has allowed us to finally pull the lining off because this thing got made backwards for whatever reason. So, say goodbye. Welcome to more rust. There we go. Just taking the last bit of lining off for the switchboard so you can see where the wires are going. Gives us a bit of a heads up on what we need to do to fix the wiring. And we're about to take this window out and that last sheet of lining off, and this wall will be done. Second window removed, ready to take the lining out.
What?
Talking to the video, bro.
It's an old rivet.
Just chilling
Feel it's hot.
Since we've done the inside lining of that side of the Caravan, we're now going to start on this side. You've got to start by taking this intermittent flashing above the windows off, and then we can then take the windows out and then remove the lining, because there's some flashings that come onto the inside and hold the lining on, making us have to take this off first, funnily enough. Here we go, just like that.